Parents, this Friday, next Monday, and next Tuesday, we'll be having our exam schedule. This means first period will be from 8:20 to 10. We'll have lunch from 10 to 10:45. And then we'll have second period from 10:52 to 12:30. At 12:30, if your student has returned their early release form, they can go into the car rider line. If they have not, they will stay with their classes until lunch. But I want to also tell you about the car rider line. So normally we have you come through here. You're going to make a right on East Hall Drive, or a left if you're coming from this way. And you're going to work your way up, and you just instantly turn right into here. We're going to slight adjust it. So again, this will not be open up here. You'll have to again come through here, come on East Hall Drive. And then you're going to go into the opposite lane. We'll have somebody directing you. You're going to go the wrong way, all the way up through the bus ramp, and then come back around, and then make your left to get your student, where you will then exit out to East Hall Road. So again, after you make a right on East Hall Drive, you're going to make a right into the wrong lane and work your way all the way around, as we expect a lot more cars as students are going to be all leaving. So remember, please again, arrive ready to go. Make sure they have their form turned in, or they will have to check out normally in the front office after all the students have left. And remember that everybody's going to have to drive through this way and then come on the back way here. Please make sure they turn in their forms. This needs to be done soon, and if you have any questions, feel free to email adam.rich@hallco.org. Thank you, and have a great day.